here nice and early this morning to do a van tour for you. And it's dark again. Yesterday, put the final touches on because we had a couple little issues, but it's all done now. I'm just gonna grab the cabinet doors, which I painted again because they were looking a bit mucky, and then we're gonna do this. It's gonna happen. Ow. Under the sink, we put a little U-bin. Let's see if you can see it. Because when I lived in a van before, it was just a straight hose into the gray water tank, which is down here. And it smelled all the time. So we're learning from my past mistakes and we put that in, so hopefully it doesn't smell in here. Which brings me to the sink. How cute. I love it. We've got these sweet little numbers, all the warranties and light switches up here. And yeah, I think they're quite sweet, but then again, I made them, so I'm a bit proud. But yeah, those you have to hold up and they snap down. We've got the panel of all the goods here. So down here you have your solar blanket hookup if you want to do that. You got your water pump, which you can't hear because I just ran it 2 seconds ago. Your refrigerator, and then the lights. Let's see if you can see them. Yeah. So these are fancy party lights. And they're controlled with a little remote. So we can go red, green, blue, party. And it's all because of this little switch here. So that is the sensor for everything that goes on. How cool is that? Because sometimes you don't want like a shiny white light at night. Oh, now it's not working. Oh, that is white. Yeah, it's pretty bright, so I prefer like the yellow or the orange at night. Then you've got options. There's enough room in the back for everything. Like don't know what you can't fit in here. So good. My favorite part about the front of this van is the fact that I can walk around. I can get out whatever door I would like to, and I think that's kind of nice. I don't know why. I mean, it's your tight car park, I guess, but I just like the fact that you don't have to crawl over seats, you just walk out. How good. The other thing is this is such a nice van to drive. Like, when we're in Matt's truck, you know, you have to think about where you're gonna turn, where you're gonna park, all these things. With this, it turns better than most small cars I've ever driven. Like, the turning radius on it is fantastic. So I really enjoy driving it. It's a shame that it's not staying with me. Poor Matt. She is finished. Well, maybe there's a couple of screws that could be added, but basically donezo. What? No. No. Now that we've sorted that little thing for Matt, back to the van tour.
On to us.
Oh, you're deciding to show up, huh? Give us a tour, Matthew.
Matthew. I'm a put. You got it?
Now, can you give us one of these, this?
Yeah.
But make it really fake.
I'll grab the out of the fridge, that's about the best you'll get out of me.
Okay, grab your beer.
Get out of my face.
I don't think I can make this happen.
Why?
I'm so dumb. I don't really like van tours.
Why?
I don't know, I feel like y'all saw it when it was being built. Now it's just done. Is it right up my nose?
Really?